Wait, if you go directly to hostinger.com, you'll pay more. The big discount is hidden and only activates through a special link. So watch carefully because I'll show you how to apply the Hostinger coupon code step by step. No manual typing, no promo code box. The discount applies automatically if you follow this video exactly. Step 1. First, click the Hostinger coupon code link in the description of this video. This is important because the discount won't show if you go directly to the home page. Step 2. Now select the hosting you need: web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, or VPS. In this video, I'll choose web hosting so you can clearly see how the deal activates. Here you'll notice the price automatically drops. That 20% extra discount is because of the referral link in the description. Nothing to type. Step 3. Scroll down and choose the best plan for your needs. Hit Choose Plan. Now we're on the order summary page. I recommend the longest duration because Hostinger doesn't provide renewal coupon codes, so locking in 48 months saves the most money. You'll clearly see extra 20% coupon discount to Patakutlan. If you see the extra discount, you've done it correctly. Step 5. Hit Continue, use a fresh email, set a password, complete payment, and that's it. You've claimed the Hostinger deal with the Hostinger coupon code link. Super quick and easy. If this saved you money, like the video and comment "saved." It helps more people and tells me the coupon is still active. Bye guys, see you in the next one.